The mysterious coolant loss on your Ford Explorer is likely an internal water pump failure leaking directly into your engine oil. To fix this ghost leak and save your engine, you must inspect the weep hole behind the alternator and check your oil dipstick for a milky texture, then replace the timing chain-driven water pump immediately. This specific issue haunts the 3.5-liter V6 engines found in many Ford Explorers. Unlike traditional engines, Ford placed the water pump inside the engine block behind the timing cover. When the primary seal fails, coolant doesn't drip onto your driveway. It dumps straight into your crankcase. The earliest warning sign is a steadily dropping coolant reservoir with zero external puddles. If you keep topping off the antifreeze but never see a leak, stop driving the vehicle. Continuing to run the engine will circulate coolant-contaminated oil through your bearings. This destroys the engine block very quickly. You need to locate the weep hole designed to catch this specific failure. It is hidden on the side of the engine block near the AC compressor and alternator. If you see dried orange or green crust around this small hole, the pump's primary seal is completely compromised. Pull your engine oil dipstick right now. If the oil looks like a frothy chocolate milkshake, the internal pump has already failed. You are looking at a major repair job. The entire front timing cover must come off, and you must replace the timing chain, tensioners, and the water pump all at the same time. Do not attempt a quick fix or use stop-leak products on this engine. Chemical sealants will clog the narrow coolant passages and destroy the timing chain tensioners. Tow the Explorer to a qualified mechanic and have the internal water pump system completely rebuilt before the engine requires a total replacement.